Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're setting up my catch-all planner for the week of February 10th through February 16th. This week I decided to make my dailies a bit more zazzy and use the leftovers from a Print Petticoat Bandit printable kit that I actually used for my Erin Condren this week as well. Because she provides so many stickers in her kit, I didn't want them to go to waste. She gives you a lot of bang for your buck. So my first step in planning out my week is taking various parts from different sections of my planner, as well as bringing out my homeschool planner. So I have my monthly, my next actions and project lists, a part of my wellness section that has my meal plans in them, also my social media plan for the week, and my homeschool planner is there so I can note any events that are happening for us this week. Some other stickers I'm busting out include the week, date, and day stickers I made for myself, since my daily sheets are just blank grid sheets and I despise writing the days over and over and over. Now I can make it easier on myself and just buy an insert that has the days of the week already on them, but I love the freedom a blank page gives me. I don't like my planner to tell me how to plan. I tell my planner how I want my days to go. Does that make sense? I hope it makes sense. I don't want you guys thinking I'm out here having whole conversations with my planner. My weekly overview consists of 3 things: my dinner meal plan, my top priorities, and my habit tracker for the week. Last week was kind of a bust with my meal planning because I didn't plan. Shocker. So we basically lived on foods that I consider emergency meals, like pizza and breakfast for dinner. I made something called beef noodle casserole, which is basically baked spaghetti, but with egg noodles instead of spaghetti. And Baby Planner was not a fan, so that is not one for the recipe book. Although, at the end of the week, I did make a keto, cheesy chicken broccoli spinach concoction that was super quick and super easy to make. And well, I liked it. Baby Planner Nerd, again, not a fan, but she ate it. Because I don't know what it's like for you in your house, but in mine, you eat what I cook or you don't eat, because I'm not a short order cook. And this week, as you can see, I am on it with the meal planning, and we're going to try veggie burgers for the first time. And as someone who really loves meat, and from some of the reviews I saw on the patties I bought, they're called Beyond Burgers, by the way, I'm expecting excellence. It's just something new I'm adding to our lineup to add foods of a bit more healthy variety than our usual. Sundays and Mondays are usually my busiest days. Sundays are usually where I knock out my at the computer list that lives in my list section, because it's the only day where I have the most time to dedicate to sitting at a computer. This Sunday is also the date of my monthly weigh-in. I'd like to say I did okay with my exercise and eating this past month, but last week was Shark Week and I ate all the brownies and cookies and cream ice cream. So we'll see how that goes. This Sunday will be filled with a lot of printing and cutting and prepping for the week, and hopefully I'll be able to film a new video for you guys. Mondays are the days that I try and get any major house cleaning done. I say try because some Mondays it just doesn't happen depending on how busy my schedule is. Monday is also the day that Baby Planner Nerd has her ukulele class, which I know she's super stoked about. And I'm also finally going to be able to do my nails, because the Halo Chrome came off these and I am over it because they're looking way too raggedy for my taste. This Tuesday is an important day in my hair routine. It's wash and deep condition day. And this is something that takes quite a few hours, which is why I have a sticker completely devoted specifically for it. My natural brown girls can totally relate that hair day is a serious process. And during that time, I'll take advantage of the wait I'll be doing while my hair is deep conditioning, and hopefully be able to film another video. And hopefully I'll be done in time for Baby Planner Nerd's play date. I don't know, fingers crossed. Wednesday is pretty empty because outside of work and homeschool, I've got nothing in my pre-plan right now for that day. But I'm leaving the empty space there because who knows what the week will bring. Who knows? Thursday is when I prep to go to Chicago for the Chicago Planner Conference on Friday. I am so excited. It's my very first planner conference. I can't wait to meet other, planner babes, planner women, you guys. Yeah. Usually before a trip, I make a list of things I need to buy for my trip and one last quick to-do list of things that need to be done before we head out. Friday is mostly a wash because it's mainly a travel day until I can go to the Sip and Shop event that evening. Saturday, I'm at the conference. I'm out there hopefully having all the fun and enjoying all the swag. Don't worry, I'll show you guys what I got and tell you all about it. But in my planner, I'm making a quick checklist of things I want to film and also some things to look out for that I want to buy for my next setup. The rest of the page on Saturday, I'm just going to use as a pre-plan for my next week, so that way I utilize the whole page and not waste anything. And here's my week. Isn't it pretty? I really love how I was able to use stickers this week. And also, don't worry about that blank sheet right there. Yeah, right there. Because I'm going to be using that as a packing list for, our trip. For me, my daughter, and my dog. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Also, if you haven't already, please click that subscribe button down below. It's right there in the corner. Right there. That's right. And the little bell ringer next to it so you can be notified when I post my next videos. Until next time, thank you so much for joining me. Bye.